trying to put your iPhone to recovery mode and connect your iPhone to PC or Mac, but iTunes cannot recognize your iPhone?
If you stuck on the screen and have no idea, please keep watching to get 2 tips.
The first tip is to force restart your iPhone.
Disconnect all the cables connected to your iPhone.
Press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Long press the power button till your iPhone restarts.
If the first tip doesn't work, please check the second tip to know how to restore your iPhone without iTunes. Run Phone Rescue on PC or Mac and connect iPhone via USB cable.
Choose Device Rescuer mode and select Repair iOS system. Select the standard mode to fix. When completed, set up your iPhone, and done.
That's all tips. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel.